Think healthy eating is only for those who can afford expensive foods. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, eating healthy is often associated with expensive organic produce, exotic superfoods, and trendy diets. The perception that healthy eating is a luxury reserved for those with disposable income can discourage many individuals from trying to adopt healthier eating habits. It's a common belief that nutritious food must come with a hefty price tag, leading some to opt for cheaper, often less nutritious, fast food and processed meals. However, this assumption overlooks the vast array of affordable, healthy eating options available to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. In this article, we'll explore how healthy eating is not just for the rich and how anyone can make nutritious choices without breaking the bank. From understanding the core principles of healthy eating to practical tips and strategies for creating a budget-friendly, nutritious diet, we aim to debunk the myth that healthy food is only for those who can afford to spend more. By challenging this misconception, we can empower individuals from all backgrounds to take charge of their health and make affordable, nutritious choices every day. Understanding healthy eating on a budget. Healthy eating doesn't have to mean buying expensive items like organic vegetables, grass-fed meat, or gluten-free products. At its core, healthy eating is about making balanced food choices that provide the necessary nutrients your body needs, without relying on processed, nutrient-depleted food options. A healthy diet typically includes a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These core food groups can often be found at reasonable prices if you know where to look and how to plan your meals. The key to eating healthy on a budget is selecting affordable, nutrient-dense foods that don't require a premium price. Many common ingredients like beans, lentils, rice, oats, frozen vegetables, and seasonal produce are packed with nutrients and are far more affordable than many people think. With a little planning, anyone can enjoy a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, without spending excessively on food. 1. The power of plant-based proteins. One of the most significant misconceptions about healthy eating is that it requires expensive sources of protein like meat or fish. While these foods can certainly be part of a balanced diet, they aren't the only option, and they're often not necessary for maintaining a healthy eating plan. Plant-based proteins, such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, and tofu, are some of the most affordable and nutrient-dense foods available. Beans and legumes are rich in fiber, iron, and protein, and they are a staple in many cultures around the world. These ingredients are typically sold in bulk, which makes them even more cost-effective. A can of beans or dried beans is inexpensive and can be used to make soups, salads, stews, and more. When compared to a pound of meat, the cost difference is significant, yet the nutritional value of beans is just as good, if not better. Incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet can help you save money while still providing your body with essential nutrients. Additionally, plant-based diets have been shown to offer long-term health benefits, such as lowering the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. 2. Seasonal and local produce. Affordable freshness. myths. Another strategy to make healthy eating more affordable is to prioritize seasonal and locally grown produce. When fruits and vegetables are in season, they are abundant and typically much cheaper. Buying produce that is grown locally also supports local farmers and reduces transportation costs, which means you can often find better deals. For example, apples, carrots, and squash are typically inexpensive during the fall months, while summer brings a bounty of affordable berries, tomatoes, and greens. Buying fruits and vegetables in season ensures that you're getting fresh produce at a lower cost, while still benefiting from the rich vitamins and minerals these foods provide. Frozen vegetables are also a great alternative to fresh produce when certain vegetables are out of season. They are often more affordable than fresh options and still retain their nutritional value. Frozen vegetables are just as versatile as fresh, and they can be added to soups, stir-fries, or roasted dishes. 3. Meal planning and preparation. One of the most effective ways to eat healthy on a budget is through meal planning and preparation. When you plan your meals ahead of time, you can create a shopping list that focuses on nutritious, affordable ingredients. Meal planning helps you avoid impulse buys, which often include processed snacks and unhealthy foods. Instead, you'll fill your cart with whole grains, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Batch cooking is also a game changer when it comes to saving time and money. By preparing larger quantities of meals and freezing portions for later, you can save both money and effort during the week. Recipes like soups, stews, chili, and casseroles are great for batch cooking. You can prepare large portions for the week ahead and store leftovers in portion-sized containers, ensuring that you have ready-to-eat healthy meals on hand. Additionally, cooking at home is significantly cheaper than eating out, and it gives you full control over the ingredients. This means you can cut back on unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugar, which are often found in restaurant dishes or takeout options. 4. The importance of whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat pasta are not only nutritious but also inexpensive when compared to processed grains like white rice or refined pasta. Whole grains are high in fiber, B vitamins, and essential minerals, making them an important part of any healthy eating plan. The best part is that whole grains are filling and versatile. A large bag of brown rice or oatmeal can last for weeks and can be used in a variety of dishes, from grain bowls and stir-fries to breakfast porridge and baked goods. By incorporating more whole grains into your meals, you'll feel full longer, making it easier to avoid unhealthy snacks between meals. 5. Reduce waste with smart storage. One of the biggest challenges when eating on a budget is food waste. Many people purchase fresh produce and other perishable items, only to find that they go bad before they can be used. This not only wastes food but also wastes money. By learning how to store food properly, you can extend the shelf life of fruits, vegetables, and leftovers. For example, freezing overripe fruit or vegetables allows you to use them later in smoothies or soups. Properly storing grains and legumes in airtight containers ensures they stay fresh for longer periods. Being mindful of food storage can drastically reduce the amount of food you throw away, making your grocery budget stretch further. 6. Smart shopping strategies. To make healthy eating even more affordable, it's essential to develop smart shopping habits. One simple way to save money is to buy in bulk. Many grocery stores offer bulk bins where you can purchase items like rice, oats, beans, nuts, and seeds at lower prices. Buying in bulk reduces the cost per unit and allows you to buy only what you need. Another tip is to shop at local farmers markets, discount stores, or warehouse clubs, which often offer lower prices on fresh produce, grains, and other staples. Coupons and sales can also make a significant difference in reducing your grocery bill. Additionally, shopping at discount grocery stores or stores with a focus on affordability can help you find nutritious food at lower prices. Conclusion. Eating healthy doesn't have to be a privilege reserved for those with high incomes. By making informed choices, planning meals, and focusing on affordable, nutrient-rich foods, anyone can create a healthy and balanced diet. Plant-based proteins, seasonal produce, whole grains, and home-cooked meals are all accessible and budget-friendly options that can help improve overall health. Breaking the myth that healthy eating is only for the wealthy can inspire individuals from all walks of life to take control of their nutrition without worrying about financial constraints. The key is to be mindful of food choices, prioritize nutritious ingredients, and embrace simple, cost-effective strategies. By doing so, healthy eating becomes not just a possibility, but a reality for everyone, regardless of their budget.